Welcome back coders. In last video we have seen how to set up a Springboard tool in Visual Code Studio. Now in this video we will see how to set up the Springboard in STS tool. Okay, let us start our video. First of all, to set up the Springboard in STS tool, you want to download the STS suite in your system. To download the STS tool in your system, you need to open the Chrome browser and simply search STS. You can search Spring Tool Suite download. After that, you will get the first website, that is Spring Tools. Click on this Spring Tools. After entering into this, you need to select Xclipse. After selecting Xclipse, scroll down. Here you will see the Windows option, 5.20 Windows option. Click on this Windows option. After clicking on this Windows option, you will directly download an STS suite here. After completely downloading STS suite of Xclipse, you need to abstract all the files into a folder. After that, you want to run an application. After doing all this, we'll install this STS tool, and the icon of STS is visible in this desktop. You can see here an STS tool is already downloaded in my system. Let us open this STS tool and continue our development. I think there is a small issue of library in my system. So let us uninstall this and I will install again from our system. Or let us try run as administrator. Let us try like this. If it works out, it will work. Okay, it's not working. I'm uninstalling this file and we will reinstall this STS tool in my system, so that you can also get the idea how to install the STS tool in your system. I think there is an internet issue. Okay, let me check my internet and come back here. It will take little time to install this file. Let us wait for some time, let it install here. Okay. After installing this STS tool, after extracting all the files, you will get an folder like this, STS tool for Xclipse. Okay, after extracting all the files, you will get a folder like this. So to install this STS tool in our system, need to double click on this folder and click on open, and here you click on open. Here if you see this, you will get an option that is Spring tool for Xclipse.exe. Double click on this. After double clicking on this, you will open an Springboard tool here. It takes little times so that it will open. It's loading here. You can see this Springboard tool. Yes, you can see this. Here the project is open. So let us create a new project in our system. I've already done little projects on this, so I am closing all this. Let's create a new project here. To create a new project here, we want to close the current project. Here you can see with the name service there is a project. So let me close all these files first. The interface of these STS tools will look like this. Let me close all the files. Okay, done. I have closed all the files. Let's create our new project in STS tool. To create a new project in STS tool, you need to go to File. After going to the file, you need to click on New. After keeping the cursor on New, you will get some options, that is Java project, Maven project, Spring Starter projects. Like this, you will get some options. You need to select Spring Starter project. I'm clicking on Spring Starter project and service URL, keep it default. Here you will get an error like unknown host exception spring.io. This error is caused due to the network issue. Please check your internet connection. Without internet connection, this project will not run. You cannot create new project without internet connection. So please check your internet connection. After connecting to the internet successfully, you will get the options like this here. You need to select all the options here. First of all, you need to give the project name. I am giving this project name as first. After giving the project name here, keep the type is Maven. All the beginners use the Maven projects only, so keep the type as Maven default and keep the packing type as jar, and all the settings here leave it like default. Here you can change the group name here as you want. I am keeping it default, and here you can also change the project package name. Next, after keeping all these default, next click on next. Here you can add dependencies. I am adding dependencies through this Spring tool only. In before video we have seen that we gone to the Spring initialization for setting these dependencies, all the structure of the Spring Boot project. We have gone to the Spring Boot initialization. Through that initialization, we have downloaded a demo file. From demo file, we have extracted all the files and open in the VS Code, and we done. But in this video, we will see this in STS only. We have initialized the project and we are adding dependencies in this STS tool only. So let us add dependencies here. Because this is the first project, this is the basic project, I am adding simply Spring Web dependency here. After clicking on this Spring Web, here you can see this selected dependencies list will be shown here. After this, click on next and keep these URLs default and click on finish. After clicking on finish, you can see this, our project is created with the name first. Let me open this project. Here we can see that there is a src folder inside this first folder. Let me open this. Inside this src you will find a main. Inside this main you will find a Java folder. Inside this com folder. This is the main package of this. Inside this main package our main Java file is present. So let me open the main Java file here. This is the main package with name com.service.arif. So let me open the main method of Java. Okay, this is the main method of the Java. Let me run this project. To run this project, you need to simply click on here a symbol with green color and white arrow mark. There is a symbol. To run this project, you want to click this on run symbol. After that, you want to select Spring Boot app. Then OK. then you need to allow. After doing all this, you can see that our project is successfully run in our system. You can see that application failed to start due to the server failed to start. Port 8080 is already in use. Let me restart this application so that we don't get any error. So let me stop this function. To stop this function, yes, now our system is successfully run. In this way, you can set up the STS tools for backend of Spring Boot development. Please like this video and share your with friends, and please consider to subscribe our channel.